Okay, let's see. Check my check. My check. Okay, first, where is this? The llama probably in Peru, right? Waka, South America. Alright. Alright. Ten seat in each row. And the maximum number of maximum number of 4 seed person group you can assign. Cross aisle is not considered. You can only do these. One to two. 1 to 3. What does this number mean? Oh, this is row. And this is column, basically. What is n? N is 0. This reserved seat sorted. Right, if we sort it, we can basically, so this is empty, this is empty, and this is empty. We can tell them how many 4 we can fit in, right? Just count 4, right? Greater than 4, right? we loop from so we basically can do is we sort the reserved seed so that it sorted by row here, right, and column, and then we loop through them, basically count so to 10, right? We count the number of hole that is greater than 4, right? Greater than or equal to 4, right? So 2 and 3 is reserved. So that means we start at 1 and we would know that this is empty, but that is not greater than 4 or equal to 4, right? So that's what we can do. Let me check, hold on. Right. We can even merge the interval, right? So we sort them and we merge the interval. So this means 2, 3, right? And once we merge the interval, so like we have this become row 1 and intervals 2 and 3, right? And then 8 to 8, right? So then 1, or we can just put this in an array, a hash map, right? So we have 2, 3, right, and 8. So any between these, we start at 0, right, whatever, right? And we have 2 is 6, right? So that means 0 to 5 is qualified, and 7 to 10 is qualified. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Even what is this? And 3 is we have 1 and 10, right? So question here is, why does this not qualify? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This should work, right? Right? Okay, what does this exception mean? A four-person group occupy 4 adjacent seats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Or does it have to be okay? So the condition is that it has to be even, right? So the iron marker is 3 on each side, right? So if you split, you want to do if 2 and 5 is in that one, right? So in this case, if you see 3, 4 here is not good, 4 here is not good, this is good, but if it's contained within this is good, right? So this is not good because it doesn't split even, right? So this is, we gotta figure out. So as soon as we do this, we loop to them, right? If the distance between these two is 4, then we can potentially group them, right? Greater than 4, right? And you either see them all in the middle here, or the only potential cross I, right, is like you 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Or 1, 2, 3, 4 is not good. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 is not good either. So basically, if you do look like, the only possible explanation you can do is basically if it is 2, 5 or 6, 9, right? Right? Or if it is 4, 7, right? Then it could sit. So within these, there's 2, 9, right? So 10 minus 1 is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Minus 2, right? Minus 2 is because we didn't count the point here, so that's 8. So that means, can we see? So okay, so this give us 47. This give us originally 1 to 5 and 7 to 10, right? So we chop them into, and 5 minus 1 minus 1, right? So 5 minus 1 is 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? distance between these start at 1. Yeah, 1 5. That is 5 7 10, right? So 1 5 we would get, so we would ask the only thing that matters is thing matters are right. Basically 4 7, right? 4, right? So basically 2 5 6 9, right? That's what it is. Okay. So this give us, so okay, hold on. These are 1 to 1, right? Right, that is not. So the first thing here is 2 minus 1, right? 2 minus 1. And we start at 1, not including 2. So that is 1 1, right? So first it give us 1 1 first. Or we can just say that if the distance between these two, right, is more than, so like if you can see here, 8 and 3, that is 5 minus 1, right? So first 2 minus 1, okay, 2 minus 1 minus 1, right? 2 minus 1 is 1, right? Not good. 3 minus 2 is minus 1, right? So that is 0, right? Not good, right? So we start at 1. So we don't count 2, so that is right. So now 8 minus 3, right? That's minus 1, right? So that's 4 right here, right? And we figure out that by plus 1 and minus 1, right? Okay, so what we can do as well is, I think we start at 0, right? And so it's gonna plus 1 minus 1, right? Plus 1 minus 1 is give us 1 1, right? And 2 to 3, so 3 3, right? 3, okay, plus 1 minus 1 3 3 2, right? This is the wrong range, right? And then 3 to 8 will give us 4 7, right? And basically this is the good range. And then finally we got 9 to 10, right? This is not 4%, right? So now we're gonna 1 2 5 then basically 7 to 10, right? So 7 to 10 is 4 here. This is also 4, right? But this is okay because it contains 2 5, right? Right, 7 10 does not contain 6 9. Okay. Okay. So 110 we will give, so 1 1, right? 1 0, right? This is the wrong range, right? And then we got 2 to 9, right? Now this is greater than that, right? So we want to go and check if so now this is both 2 5 6 9. So we're gonna check 2 5 and 6 9 first, right? Because that gives us more than, right? Then finally we check 4 7, right? So what if the reserve seed is empty, right? What would they return? Well, the reserve seed always have 2 numbers at least. Wait, hold on. Greater than 1. Okay. So let's say we reserve these only, right? We want to do 2 5 and 6 9, right? So let's say we have 0 here to test. Right, so we have a case where we just have one row here, right? And we just have 110. What happened? What? Oh. Two, right? Because we wanna, if we wanna optimize, so this case we check is correct, right? If we can check if this is in, right? This it does, and if this is in this it does, right? Then we take that over 4 7, right? So is it any case where these and these exist, right? So like 2 to 5, 4 to 7 exists, right? Then we should pick one, right? That means, hold on, that means the seed of 1 is reserved and 8 to 10 is reserved. Oh, we have to put this like this. So 1, right? So basically we want to test for this, right? If 2 5 is in, what about both 2 5 and 6 9, right, is in, then we pick both over 4 7, right? So let's try that. And so let's sort reserve C, right? Right. And then we basically have you can see, right, for row column, right? In reserve C, row not in F, Y row dot append, right? So now we go in and do what we think this should work, right? So now we're gonna loop the row, have a count. Or what is it? Row equals in f items. So now we gotta find down. We started at 1. Right, so this is between, start the row at column, between column, right? So I equals 0, y I is less than, length of the columns, right? Alright, so we need to figure out the range, right? So this is +1, this is -1, right? And so the original range gonna be 1. So we would have a range, let's call this interval, right? The interval started with 1, right? So you actually should start with 1, right? Interval gonna be 1 to, okay, so actually let's call this x, xy, x fd equal, starting with the first one, no, 1, 2, what was that? Right, so I guess it's always gonna have one value, right? So this is fine, right? So -1, right? Right, so function for checking the range. Values interval from to gonna be okay less than or equal to that, right? So first we do if valid range of f and t and t minus f. So let's say 4 to 7, right? 7 minus 4 is 3 plus 1, right? S minus t plus 1. So let's just put that in, right? If equal greater than or equal to 4, right? Back and check for the okay, so let's just do count group here, right? From a given interval, right? Right, so we just do count group count plus equal count groups given this ft, right? Okay, so now we say if otherwise return this. Now we check if the 2 5 is in here, right? 2 5 is in the thing, right? If 2 greater than equal from and 2 less than equal to and 5 greater than equal to from and 5 less than equal to 2, right? So let's just wrote a function for that. Call this interval overlap interval, right? Given this is so we want if overlap interval 2 5 with form 2, right? Then we count. So F1 T1 FT, right? Return F1 greater than F and F1 less than equal to T and T1 greater than F, T1 less than F, T. Right. Then right. So count plus equal 1, right? So we say 2 5 is in that range. 6 9 is also in that range. um 6 9, and we also count them, right? So 2 and 5 or 6 9, right? But then we check if count is less than 2, right? It means that one of them doesn't exist, right? So this exists in 2 9, right? Or whatever, right? Then we only want to count this if not of both of them, right? Is if. So after this, if count equals 0, right? Count equals 0, right? And overlap interval with 4 7, right? ft, right? Then tab plus equal 1, right? Okay, so we have that. Okay, so now ft gonna become between these, right? So 2 and 3 will be columns of I, right? Columns of I plus 1 is columns of I plus 1. So this will be what? Less than minus 1, right? Because we want to do I plus 1 as well. Minus 1, right? So count gonna plus equal count groups ft, right? We return count, right? So start at 1, okay, which is start at 0. We got the 0 already, and then start at 1. We'll start at 0, right? Right. Just that we want to count the one before, right? And from 0 1, right? And count the group outside, right? T equal column minus 1 plus 1, and then this one is 10, right? So in basically f greater than or equal to 0 and t is, so let's just do values interval ft, right? Return, right? F gets bigger than t and f greater than 0 and f less than 10, right? T greater than 0 and t is less than 10, right? And finally, right? So this is if valid interval, right? Something like that. Right, so then we have to count the last one. What? Okay. So let's say we have print here FD. I'm gonna print the FD and count here. Okay, 1 is 0, 3 2 0, good. This is what we anticipated. 4 7. 4 7 is wrong for some reason. Oh. Less than that. Oh, and D minus F, guys. Like that. Okay, 4 cents to 0. Why? Okay, let's do some print. Valid interval. F this. Okay, it's valid. Now overlap probably is wrong. Oh. Yeah. Okay. So let's take a look. Good. We got this. And we do 1 5. 1 to 5. 1 to 5, good. Then do we not increase them? Oh yeah, we did. This give us, let's just do a print. Okay, assessing, inspecting, current count, right? Okay. What's wrong with the case 3 here? So let me draw down the, okay, let's also print the stuff, right? Print row start with that. Seven, so it should be so then it should be 0 here, right? Hold on, let me check. So n equal 4, right? We got 0 1 okay 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So 4 reserve, 3 and 6. So 7 to 10 should count, right? 8 to 10. But 5 to 6. So it should be 4 to 5, right? So inspecting 4 7. One has 4 and 7, right? Oh, hold on. What's wrong? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then 10. So row 1 has 4 reserve and 7 reserve. So that means you cannot do anything. Right, 0, good. And row 2. Oh, we have to inject the thing, right? Right, so row 2 and 3, we can have 2 and 2. I see. Right, so basically here for row in range of n 1 to n plus 1, right? So if rows in F, right, then columns equal F row, right? So basically if row not in F, then basically count plus equal 2, right? Then we continue. Otherwise column equal F row, right? But row not in F, argument of type int is not a container or iterable. But what is this then? This is, what case is this? N equal 3. What? If they say 1, 2, 3, yeah. An argument of type int is not. What? Let me see. Okay, hold on. You have, this is the thing. Okay. So can we not do 1 in F? 2, right? So what is the return? What is this? Can I not print the type here, bruh? It's in int, right? There's 1 here, and 1 is in here. Int. Check if the Python check if dictionary contain integer. What? Python in dictionary got this. What? The thing here is dictionary, right? Yeah. Or does it only allow? Can we do this, right? No, bruh. Oh wait. What is the type here? It looks like it's some other type. Int, bruh. What the hell is going on? Python for range check Dictionary. What's wrong with this? Just return the range type. No, bruh. What? If row not in F? This is int, right? What the hell is going on? And it seems like we also can do this, right? Cleaner, right? What? F1 has to be within FD, right? This. And T1, right? That should work. Okay. That's just minor fix. And we can do this. Or maybe we can do this, right? Or easier to read. Right, does that work that way? Forgot to put the thing here. Okay, we still don't know what the hell is going on with this. Can we just do this? Row equals 0. Why? Oh no, 1. Where row is less than or equal to n. Something with maybe we screenshot this. We have to take a look. If this works, what is this issue here? Right. Right. Bro. What the hell does that mean? Okay, Gemini, tell me, bruh. I have no clue. Why does this give me when reserved seed is a with input, for example, in n equal 3. Go. Shadowing mistake. Oh, okay. I'm an idiot. So let's call this RC then. RCS. Oh my god. Okay. Gemini is helpful there. Yeah. Yeah, faster. So we can revert this to for row in RCS. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so basically these right here somehow overshadow them. Okay, try this. Okay, so let's try and see if this passes. Okay, submit. Uh-oh, probably something wrong. Time limit exceeded. Oof. This is the one. Does it get to here? Right. What? Oh. Got this. Okay, so this is fine. This wrangling here that is having issue. Right, we loop through every row. The row. Yeah, we're able to print all of them. There's a lot of row. Okay. right? And so wait, it able to pass, no? Okay, oh, hold on. No. That is because we do the, let me see. Maybe this is the one that is expensive, right? Time limit exceeded, guys. Um. Oh, the number of row here is lot, right? And what is it? There's a lot of it's like a lot of rows, right? So column. We just append the column. We did sort them so that okay. So what is expensive that we did here? We loop through these and oh, wait, I don't think this is each. I don't think this is expensive, no? Because there's only 10 columns. So maybe look to them is there a better way? Because I don't think this count group is expensive at all. Oh wait, hold on. If maybe we do the calculation on, maybe they have this range that is the same, right? So maybe we do a cache, right? Okay. So if set is it possible, right? Right, so we say that if column is in cache, then we just count plus equal to cache the row, right? Of the column, right? And then continue, right? After we found down, we put them in the cache, right? Maybe cannot use list as a dictionary key. Python cannot use this as dictionary. Can I turn it to a tuple then? Let me see if tuple right. Maybe there's too many columns that's the same. Tuple, maybe column tuple. Let's see if that's the case. We still exceeded. Maybe we shouldn't print this. No. So this solution is not good. What can we optimize though? Let me get some water and thinking. Some big numbers. So we check if too far, right? I don't think this is expensive at all. Can we see how big? What is the biggest column there is? Max column count. Also, it's almost close to lunchtime too. We'll see. See if we can figure out in 15 or 20 minutes. RCS row, right? And we print the two. Two. Why does it take a long time here? This is ON of C, right? OCN column, right? So are they expecting somehow to not have to loop here? Right? Or maybe putting them in this kind of situation here is expensive, right? Because you already sort them. The information is there. Try that. So right. So you just have to loop over. Oh, right. So if you loop over these, right, you could loop from 1 to n, the big one, right? Instead, right, you want to be able, so in this case, right, you loop through the entire space here when the reserved seed count here is only right? So we can still keep ours. Let's see, print the number of row here. Oh boy. No, 6,000, and we loop to these many, right? So basically, this is basically plus the number of RCS and minus the number of RCS, right? Multiplied by 2, right? So for the one that is not in this one, we need to plus 2, right? So here, if we could just loop to them for row, yes. So we can just do this in RCS.items, right? We don't probably take out the cache for now, because I don't think the the count group here is expensive at all. There we go. Yes. Hopefully this pass. Right. Okay. Oh, we don't want to print this. So basically, submit this. There we go. Yeah. So in this we make sure we did not do needless calculate looping over bigger number. Here we go. I think we're gonna try to, from now to 1 p.m. maybe, trying to write all this. Let's do finish writing a draft of the next week Substack first, and then we do another read and react. And I guess tomorrow we can start this and this. I don't know about these quiz, but let's take a look at our Substack. Oh, by the way, this is my Substack. Okay, let's do a new post. Correct. So what do we do? What did we do last time? Oh, let's commit to GitHub the one that we haven't done yet. Do that now. Did we? The last time we did is Wednesday, and today's already whatever, okay, 15. this. Right. So let's go back to the Substack. Apply operation to make string empty. Okay, we do have that. We do have this. We have course schedule. And we did start week 2. Maximum product subarray. This is the one that we did yesterday. It's like the second time that the deck is saving the day. Okay. And today is this. And we have these. This is last time. Right. So in this we have, what did we do? Devastating blow and willingness to look stupid. Let's move this to down here. Just keep it. This is 1. What did we do last time? Did we do week 1 instant 1? So which one instant? This is which one instant 3, right? One instant 3. This is 2. This is 3. Three, and this is back to 1. Week 2, instant 1, instant 3. Instant 1. that's it for the week one. Really happy about it. And I think we have some pictures. Let me see. Last week's. What's going on? What we done it in March 13th, so that's 2 days ago. Congratulations. But they still have the premium. So everybody is trying to sell you courses. Started week 2. Fighting. Fighting. Chiaki. Chiaki fighting. No. Chiaki Japanese fighting. Chiaki Osin, fighting. Yeah, I can find it. Let's see. Fighting meme. What are some memes that is good? Good fighting meme. Oh no. Japanese meme. Nah, find it. Fighting Korean. Korean phrase, Any memes? debug. I think let's do this and link to this. I think. Okay. Let's finish this section first. See if we can go through some of them. Right. But I'm out of water. Let me get some water. And Nobel Prize winner, stop doing great work and early recognition actually can kill you and ruin your career because the expectation and pressure for the next big thing. Oh, wait, hold on. That was this one. This is the new bar is simply much higher. So this is oh, that's wrong, guys. This is wrong. Why do they say sorry? All the time. Take a pay cut or something, or just do not hire like crazy in the first place. Remember, Nintendo CEO actually take a pay cut, so employee can go lay off, but they don't do that in America. right? Some wittingly or some response to the Reddit Atlassian truck. Lolo. What was the Reddit one? Reddit devastating. Go. Talk is cheap. Wait. What was that CEO? Oh, right. Isn't CEO the most expensive salary? That there, right? EA CEO, right? Salary, right? What was that one? This one. So basically, what? Why is it both? Okay. New idea tend to happen with young people because they have this expectation and willing to look stupid. It started with creative process started with creating for yourself and not needed to seek any audience. Right, so just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Yeah, just copy image and paste here. Do it. Why does it not? This is the okay. Okay, maybe we should start writing these and maybe these, and we go for lunch. Okay. So we need to basically um, we need to keep track of the last one and score them, right? Um, so what we did is keep track of frequency and the max. So yeah, track of letter frequency and the max frequency. Filter out because the right we check up letter frequency and the math frequency. The last string is the last character from the index. So frequency here is basically the length. Index. Letter current by index. What's wrong here? The last character from the max frequency, and we need to sort them in order to get back the original orders, right? So time complexity here is actually n log n, right? Because we have to sort it, right? Complexity. Yeah. Index list size. Okay. This is our code. Just to do the tapping. Yeah. And with this the instant third, right? So if possible we can copy this link. Is there a link here? There's no link. So they probably did a JavaScript click button thing. Oh, okay. So we can do this is class, right? Quest level 61. I don't know why it's 61, but sure. We can do pound. Yeah, there we go. That should be enough. Wait, this is instant 3, right? Okay, hold on. So instant 3 is this. We did this 2 days ago. This is level 59. What's up with this level? Is it Microsoft? Oh wow. What? So what is the week 1? Quest unique 56. Okay. Because let's do this and then probably have to eat. So best time to buy and sell stock. Um, Iterate from the back and keep track of the max price and max profit so far. Right. So his max price so far be this, right? And 6 greater than 4, right? That means we take 6, right? So this is less than that, then max profit is that minus, right? So that is 3, right? So whatever, until 7, right? So complexity is O n. Right? I know. Fine. Get off. I think that should be it for now. Then we can puppy's eating and then play games now, and probably back late at night time to wrap up these, right? But that's it for now.